Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming with some more great extractions. So y'all, how y'all doing? It is currently 8:30 p.m. August 27th, and I am sitting in my car where it's nice and quiet so that I can do this voiceover on this video. So y'all, on my last video, I remember talking to you guys about a new tool that I had, and a lot of y'all wasn't really feeling that tool. So today, most of these extractions that are in this video are back from my iPhone camera, and hopefully y'all like the image quality a little better. So y'all, what else I did? Oh yeah, y'all know I launched my extraction tool kit set, and I did a pre-order for them on the website in honor of me reaching 100K subscribers. All of those orders have shipped out by now, and you all should receive them this week. So the tools are no longer pre-order, they're just order. Because I have them like restocked, fully in stock. So you can just go online and purchase them, and they will be in shortly after. Y'all, I did a short on this particular extraction right here. If it looks familiar to you guys, it's because I did a short and I just showed that big old pop in the beginning. But yeah, this is the full video of me extracting that on my client's skin. I am so in love with my job, and everything is just like breezy. I don't know what word to use. It's just like cool and easy, and I love it. When I do extractions, it's like a stress reliever for me. Like, it's like I'm working, but not hard. And I'm just thankful for that. I thank God that I tapped into my blessing early, because I'm 27, and I've been working in my field ever since. It's just such a blessing to me, because a lot of people don't have it figured out by this age, and I try to help people that I come across whenever they seem stuck, or if they don't know like what they want to do. I try to help them the best way I can, but I'm just thankful that I didn't have to struggle to figure out my passion. Hold up. Y'all, these are my beautiful extraction tools. I will put the link in the description below for you guys to purchase. Yes. There's about 6 tools in there, and they get the job done. Back to the extractions. This is like a fan favorite. The hook tool is definitely in there, and it's actually made like a tweezer. No lie. When I got my set in, as you can see, like when I'm doing these extractions, it's just one side. That's because I broke mine in half. I don't know. I just like to use it with one hook on the end versus the hook tweezer. But hey, it's up to you guys when y'all get y'all kits and how y'all want to use it. But yes, that's what I did with mine, and I love it. Y'all, if y'all go back and watch that little piece slowly, there was a hair on that tissue. So that means the hair wiped out when I went to wipe the surface of her skin. But y'all, I don't know if I told y'all I moved into a new location, but it is everything. I love it so much. Like, at my old spot, it was huge. I'll say that. It was big. And it was like a lot of space unused. So much unused space that I started building rooms in the front area. I had divided up my waiting area into like sections. So I had 2 rooms in my waiting area, and then my waiting area was still huge. And then in the back area where I actually waxed, it was like huge. So it was nice. I loved it when I first moved in. But it was concrete floors. They were hard, stuff like that. So me moving, it's more cozy. And it already came with multiple rooms, like in the building. I don't have to go and build the cubicles. The place where I moved to has 3 rooms. It has a kitchen, and it has a waiting room, and it also has a bathroom. And it's just like when you walk in, it gives more cozy home vibes versus like retail vibes. If that makes sense. But I love my new space. Maybe on my next video I'll throw in a couple of images of it, because I never really posted my new space. But on my next video I'll throw it in there so you guys can see what it looks like. That past extraction was a previous extraction, but it was so good, and it was a pop, so I made it follow my other pop extraction. I just thought they looked cool together, going back to back. But yes, if you're looking at that one and you're like, that one looks familiar, that's why. Y'all, this is funny to me. It's like I've been going to a few places, and people will stop me. I'll be like, "You're the wax lady?" Or they'll be like, "You're the extraction lady?" The girl yesterday said, "Hey, Miss Nude." And I said, "You know me?" She said, "Yes, girl, I know you. You are so much prettier in person." I was like, "Oh, that's so sweet." All my life I've been told I say whatever comes to my mind. So that was my initial response when that lady told me, "Hey, Miss Nude." I said, "You know me?" Like, literally, it just flew off my tongue. But y'all, it is a whole new day. And I'm doing the rest of this voiceover because I got busy the other night. And yeah, I'm going to get it done today so that I can post this video before tomorrow, hopefully. What is it? Today is like the 29th, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to finish this voiceover. Y'all, let's talk about how it's been like extremely hot outside. I don't know where y'all at, but I'm in Louisiana, and the heat has been crazy. I think we even had a couple of wildfires. I know they were having them in Hawaii, but I think we had a few. Like yesterday, we got our first real rain. And I'm saying real rain because it drizzled a couple times, like last week. But last night, it was raining, and it sounded so good. The smell of it smelled good. Everything about it was just was good. And I know the grass and the flowers were dancing around because my grass is so hard. It's like crunchy. Like I could step on it and feel the crunch on my foot. So I know The grass was smiling last night, baby. I don't remember ever having like the temperature over 100 in my life in Baton Rouge. We've hit 103, 104, and I just don't remember. Maybe I'm tripping, but I don't know. I have to Google it to see if we broke like record heats. But I don't remember it ever feeling like this summer ever. Like literally. I don't know if we're getting closer to the sun or what. I know the Bible speaks about weather changes in like I think the last days. I'm gonna have to read up on that because they said there was a hurricane in California. Yes, a hurricane. It was a mixture of like an earthquake and a hurricane forming over there by the coast of Cali, I believe. And that has never happened. So yes, I'm definitely going to go read my Bible and see what it says specifically about like the weather and the seasons changing. Cause y'all, so many strange things have been happening, and it's just like literally getting crazier and crazier in the world. I try not to watch too much of the news because it's always something. But I know that God's people are going to be protected through everything. It says that in the Bible. So I try not to worry about it. I just pray about it, and that's all we can really do is pray and try to live right and have pure intentions and a pure heart. And yeah. But I remember doing this. This is under my client's arm, and I was trying to get the blackhead out at the bottom, and then it ended up busting at the top, and I had to stop and try to squeeze it. It was a lot going on with this extraction, y'all. So, y'all, my birthday is approaching. My birthday is October 2nd, and I'm going to have 1 month to try to lose as much weight as I can and lose some inches and be fine for my birthday. So if y'all have like a workout plan or like a 30-day challenge for back fat and the abdomen, and I don't know, a good 30-day workout plan, y'all need to share it with me in the comments because I'm about to go so hard for 1 month and lose as much as I can. I'm not going to stop after the month, but my birthday is just October 2nd. I'm going to keep going through October, November, and December. But I got to go real hard for this next 30 days. So y'all need to send me any, or not send me. Y'all can tell me if y'all did like a workout or something that worked real good for y'all. Y'all could just tell me what y'all did and give me some tips and some tricks to burn some fat. But yeah, as always, I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me and watching my videos. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Go ahead on and click the red button. Also, I will be putting the link to my extraction tools in the description below so y'all can get them orders in. Thank you guys. Y'all be blessed. Stay safe. And I will see you guys shortly with another good video. Bye-bye.